Hey everyone, here's an updated tutorial on how I tie my bracelets. First, we're going to make a bracelet really fast. I'm going to be making a clay bead bracelet. We're going to use a bead spinner to speed up the process really quick. And speaking of quick, the bead spinner was going a little bit too fast, so I had to slow it down. After I have enough beads, I'm going to take it off the hook, slide it down onto the string, measure it, and now it's time to tie it. First, I'm going to make an X with the two sides. I'm going to take one side and loop it under and then pull. Then I'm going to make an X again, pull it through that circle we just made, but instead of pulling it quite yet, I'm going to take that same side and I'm going to put it through the circle and then I'm going to pull it. We are almost done. I'm going to do that same thing again. I'm going to make the X, put it through the circle. Before pulling it, I'm going to put that same side and I'm going to put it through the circle again, and then I'm going to pull it. The string I'm using is called elastic string. It's my favorite for any bracelet. I love it. And then to finally finish it off, we're just going to make a basic knot X through the middle and we're going to pull it. So you have a single knot, two double knots, and then a single knot. I'm going to cut it and then we are all done. And there you go. You guys just finished your bracelet.